Morning students. Today we are going to discuss topic making of magnets. So in this context I want to remind you that I have taught you that there are two types of magnet, natural magnet and artificial magnet. Artificial magnets are man-made magnet, and we are going to discuss the several ways how to make artificial magnet, because these magnets are man-made magnets. So there are some man-made process by which we can make magnet, and this process is called magnetization. So any magnetic substance you can take and that can easily be transformed into a temporary or permanent magnet by the process of magnetization. So what is this magnetization? It is just a process. Okay, the conversion of an ordinary piece of magnetic material like iron piece or a steel piece you can take, and we can convert that into a magnet, and that process of conversion is called magnetization. So there are few methods of magnetization, that is single touch method, double touch method, magnetic induction, electrical method. Okay, so we will discuss today these three methods, single touch method and double touch method and this one. Okay, what is this single touch method? So in this you have to just touch a bar of magnet to a simple iron bar and it will get transformed into a magnet. Let's see. Here you can see the picture, magnetization by single touch method. It is very simple, you have to understand it properly. Like you have to take a simple iron bar. This is AB is a simple iron bar of length AB, okay, and place it on the table. Now take a bar magnet, any bar magnet you can take which has you know the magnet have north pole and south pole, and you have to take a bar magnet and select any one of its pole and move the, suppose you have taken the south pole and touching the north pole at this A end, okay, and move this magnet north pole to the bar magnet along the iron bar from point A to B. When you reach the point B, like drag this, you have to drag this on this iron bar, okay, and when you will reach up to point B, you have to lift the magnet, again just lift it and move it along the same direction like this. Drag it, lift it, again put it here, again drag, again lift it, again drag. You have to do this process again and again at least 20 to 25 times. And after doing this process, you will observe that after some time the iron bar, this iron bar gets magnetized. With one of the end, it will act like a north pole and the other end will act like a south pole. And you can also test this iron bar whether it is magnetized or not. How can you test it? Just you take this iron bar and you can bring some iron object or some iron fillings nearby it. You will see that it will get attracted towards this bar, iron bar. Okay. Or the same pole, if you will bring together of any magnet, suppose you have brought any magnet and same poles of both this iron bar and magnet will come together, it will get repel. You can test it by this process. Okay, so this is a single touch method. It is very simple, only you have to drag and put it in this direction only, same direction, again and again, up to 20 to 25 times. It will get magnetized. And what is this double touch method? Double touch method means you have to touch it 2 times, means double. Double means you have to take double magnet. Okay, and you have to touch it from the center to this end and from the center to this end. Drag it like this and then put it again. So take a small iron bar of length AB and place it on the table. Now you have to take 2 identical bar magnet and select the opposite poles of each other. Yes, in this you have to see that opposite poles are here. Here it is north pole and here it is south pole. So select the opposite poles of each of the bar magnet and touch both the magnet at the center of this bar, iron bar. You can see both are placed at the center of iron bar. Now what you have to do, from the center of the iron bar, rub both the bar magnets towards the opposite ends of the bar. Means this you have to drag this side and this you have to drag this side. When it will reach up to point A, you have to lift it and again put it here, and then do the same process like this. Okay, this also you have to drag up to here, then lift it in this direction. Direction should be like this only. Okay, and both the poles should be opposite. So after repeating this process several times, 20-25 times, you will observe that end A of this iron bar become the north pole, because here you have dragged the south pole. So this part will become the north pole and this part will become the south pole, because here you are dragging the north pole of the magnet. Okay, rubbing. You have to rub it properly. Now, you can test it also. After doing this process 20-25 times, you can test whether this iron bar became magnet or not, whether it acquired all the properties of magnet or not. So you can test it by bringing any magnetic substance or any magnetic substance or magnet only. Same pole will repel or unlike pole will attract. Okay, like pole will repel and unlike pole will attract. Understood? And also you can bring some iron fillings nearby it. You will see that iron fillings will get attracted towards this iron bar. It means that this iron bar will act like a magnet. Okay. Now what is this magnetic induction? This process is very important and this is interesting. What you have to do in this? Take a long iron nail like this and bring it near some iron fillings. What you will observe, if you will take a long iron nail and iron fillings you will bring just nearby it, definitely the iron nail will not attract the iron fillings, because both are iron and iron. How can it be attracted towards each other? Not possible. So you will observe that iron fillings are not getting attracted to the iron nail. Now you have to do the other process. Now clamp the iron nail upright on the stand like this. You just clamp it on the stand and you have to bring a bar magnet close to the head of this nail like this. Okay, any bar magnet you will bring close. Do not touch it. If you will bring closer to it, then also it will act like a magnet. Just close to the head of the nail without touching it. Okay. Now on bringing the iron fillings close to the iron nail, you will notice that some of the iron filling will get attracted towards this nail. It will cling to the nail. This happens as the magnet has magnetized the iron nail and iron nail behaves like a magnet now. Okay. Without touching also it will take the property of magnet from this magnet. And just if you will remove it, on removing the bar magnet, the these iron fillings will fall down. This will indicate that the iron nail has lost its magnetization. And this type of magnetization is temporary in nature, because it is for some time only. Till you are bringing the magnet, you have kept this magnet on its head, nearby its head, it will act like a magnet. And if you will remove this, it will not act like a magnet. Understood? You can do this at home. It is interesting. This one also, if you have this kind of bar magnet, you can do this process. And you can observe how can you transform a simple iron or steel into a magnet. I hope you have understood this. These three methods we have discussed today: single touch method, double touch method and magnetic induction method. Tomorrow we will discuss the electrical method and about the electromagnet we will understand. Okay, till then go through this process by yourself also. Okay.